This one's easiest though. So we got ln of e to the fifth. So right off the bat, let me quiz you. What is the base for ln? Good. So you don't have to do this, but you can just rewrite it as log base e of e to the fifth, right? And that's going to be equal to x, because you're solving for exponent. So this one's real easy because you have e to the x equals e to the fifth. So what do you think x is? It'd be 5. Yeah. So here's the shortcut. We're going to learn this rule. There's some shortcuts for logs. Anytime you have natural log of e to some power, the answer is just going to be that power. So natural log of e to the 7th is 7. Natural log of e squared is 2. And that's because when you convert it, you end up just basically your x just ends up being whatever that exponent is. So there you go. Once you write it that way, as e to the what power gives you e to the fifth, you can quickly see that the answer is just going to be 5. So final answer, x equals 5 for this one. All right, so I'll get you the worksheet. It's 2 pages, but it's